Jessie loves chewing on her own legs. Just cat? Do you like your legs, baby? Do you want your legs? Are those legs? What are these? What are these? What are these? What are these? What are those? What are those things called? What are those called? What are those called? This cat? I know Kiki Cat. I know Kiki Cat. Good night. Good night, Turkey. Good night. There she goes again. There she goes again. I need to ask myself the question. Do flame points to their legs? Josie, are you trying to pick your tail up?
Where's that blue fuzzy thing?
It's right here. Where you go?
That's what I was looking for.
Get in.
Right here.
What's that? Oh, right here. Hey, just cat. Go get it. Just cat. Come here. Hit Tucker. Bye, Kiki. Bye, just cat.